Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you the ways on how can you update PS4 system software with USB flash drive. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First thing, you want to open up your PS4 or turn it on. Then you want to go ahead and select the account. As you go to account, you want to select settings from the dynamic menu. Moving on, you will then be able to see this sort of list. So here, you want to go to system software update. Once you do it so here, you want to select the next button. After you've actually done it so, then you could read the terms and condition. If you're sure about it, click on accept. As you've done it so, you will then be able to see this sort of file format. If you're sure about it, select the particular one. You will then be able to see the now prepare the USB file drive. After which you want to download the updated file. So then once you've actually done it so, copy the updated file and click on update folder. Turn off your power onto your PS4 completely. After which you could go ahead and connect the USB flash drive once again. Then you could update your PS4 through the console. And that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.